Hey there everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the National Artist for Sephora Collection.
My name is Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
And today we have a really crazy challenge. Our team loves a challenge, and we do wear red lips and winged eyeliner a lot. So we thought that would be like a fun classic look, but to do it with no mirror.
So our team's literally sitting at the table over there laughing at us as we're going to attempt to put on a winged liner and a red lip with zero mirror in front of us. We love them dearly, but cannot guarantee this is going to go well. So please join us for this entertainment.
I'm excited. I will be each other's mirror.
Yes, exactly. I'm going to ask you as I go. I don't know. Is that cheating?
That's cheating.
It's cheating,
Okay,
so we can't ask each other. I'm just going to look at you and laugh.
Yeah, great.
So what liner are you using?
Okay, so I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Hotline Liquid Liner.
That's a good one. That's a classic.
I've used it a ton. This is like my standard.
I mean, I feel like you have a little bit of a leg up on me because you're a Sephora Collection National Artist. You're using a Sephora Collection liner that's been around for a while. This one from Bite is the Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner, and I do love it. I've used it a few times since I got it, but it's a little bit newer, so I have a little bit less experience with this one.
Is it a brush tip?
It's a felt tip.
It's a felt tip. Okay,
But I
felt
do
tip.
love that it has its own little handle.
Oh, yeah.
I like when you get to dip. I don't know. So we're gonna give it a try. Do we just go?
I think we should just go.
Okay.
Do you ever start with I always start with my less dominant eye when I'm doing it, but now.
Well, they always say to start with the eye that you're gonna do worse on, so that when you do your good eye.
It's my good eye.
I don't know. I don't think any of this matters. I think we're pretty much gonna be.
Oh God. Okay, so. Oh, it's not even my eyeball.
I've watched people
find
do
my
this
liner.
on social media, and
Okay, here we go. I look crazed. I'm just looking straight. Okay. Wow. I can tell this is gonna be a work of
I
art.
touched my eyelid, so that's something.
I did underneath. Okay, you can't leave the place that you started. You have to
I don't know
not
if I can
lift.
talk. Oh yeah, you're right.
I can tell that this.
Can I
think
use
first
the
touched
mirror
under
of
my
my
eye.
stick? I'm like.
Oh my God, I have it all over my hands. Okay.
Okay, we're good.
That's not my. That's. I think actually, we can make this look very avant-garde. I could just do a couple stripes.
This is art.
Oh my God. Okay, this is the wing. Oh. It just got so thick. Yours looks so good. Well, I mean, for no
You can't see yours. Okay, I have to make sure.
for no mirror, that's pretty good.
I think you have a little graphic thing going on. You have a little wing.
A slight wing.
Yeah. And some additional graphics.
Maybe I'll just do just the wing, because the wing liner doesn't say how much you have to put on. Just the edge.
Okay, I'm gonna try and fill in by my lash line.
I feel like actually, well, obviously the other eye was my less dominant. I had a feeling this one was going to be easier.
I can't breathe.
Actually, they say to breathe out when you're doing liner, so you get a smoother line. It's kind of like when you do archery, you breathe out and then you.
You know, I've never done archery.
You don't say. I feel like
That's not something I've tried before. But I mean, I grew up in Southern California. Maybe it's just not as common
I
here.
grew up in the country.
People are gonna come after me from archery teams in Southern California. We are here.
We're here.
All right.
Oh God.
Other eye. Oh, did you already do it? Dang. Okay. Sorry, I was being scared.
Oh my gosh. Well, actually, you're looking very contemporary art over here. I think I finished that eye. Does this look okay? Oh, that's pretty good. It's not bad.
I like how kind we're trying to be to each other. We're it's really not bad. Okay, I'm gonna go back
Very,
into the
avant-garde looking, I think. Yes, there you go. I'm being her mirror.
You know
Okay.
what? Emotional support.
Emotional support, Helen. There you go. Everybody should have one.
I don't know what that was.
I thought maybe I should make it a little bit more towards my lash.
Oh yeah, that's good. You darkened it up a little bit. Oh, I'm cheating again.
Oh, I know. I can't help it.
I don't really know like when to stop. Like, is that the end of my eyeliner application? I can't tell.
I can't tell exactly. But I feel like I did a wing on both eyes, so probably that part's complete.
Yeah.
I completed the challenge, obviously. It's gonna look like a million
got
bucks.
it on my bottom
Oh,
a little bit.
not so much on the bottom, but definitely on the top.
That's
There's
good.
a lot of.
That's good. There's a lot on the top.
There's a good amount on the top.
All right.
Plenty on top.
I feel
Okay.
like I had more hope for myself,
I
but I
did
haven't
too.
seen it yet, and I actually think that yours probably looks better than you think it does.
I feel like this eye looks good, and this eye looks like crazy because this eye couldn't even find my lash line.
I mean, that one's artistic. This one's more concise.
There you go. I start with the line, draw it across. I do feel like if you use like your lash line to kind
Yes.
of guide you, that helps, but I couldn't find it on this side. So let's get into, should we get into lipstick?
I think so. I mean, I honestly don't know, because we don't know
They
what
look good.
it looks like,
I
but
think we're looking like $1 million.
you know?
All right.
I think if anything, I've learned that you just have to accept yourself
Yeah.
for who you are and what you can give this world.
This Fenty Beauty one, now I'm just looking, I'm like, wow, you're really going for it.
I was really going for it. I don't think I really thought this through.
You did the most.
I
You're
was just
like, let me
thinking,
pick
like-
my favorite things.
No,
And then
Yeah, that would
I
have
was
been
like, I
smart.
want something that's easy to remove.
Okay, so what are you using?
Okay, so this is the Lip Stories lipstick. This is a matte shade, so that comes in like 3 finishes. So this is their matte one. And oh, the shade is called All Washed Up, which is exactly how I'm gonna look after this.
I like how there's little laundry
Yeah,
mat,
it's cute.
like a laundry mat on there.
It's like a vintage laundry mat with a
I
little
love lip
checkerboard.
stories. Each one of them have like a different photo and a different story that goes with the shade, and it's always such cute packaging.
Yeah.
But anywho, so I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is the Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. This is like that original red that she created. It looks great on like everyone. It's so pretty. And my mindset was thinking like, well, with a liquid lipstick, you don't need a liner. I won't.
And the applicator, I feel like the applicator will help with like precision.
Well, we're gonna find out.
I was like, this is not the shape of my lip, so we'll see
Okay.
how this works. Okay. I feel like feeling it out is best. Started the Cupid's bow. What's your technique?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
Started the Cupid's bow.
I'm sure I look really attractive doing this too. Okay.
I just like staring at the bottom of the camera because I'm trying to focus. This feels like it might be going better than the liner though. Oh,
I
yours
know.
looks beautiful. There you go. Don't laugh at me.
Yours looks really good too. It does. It's just not. Just not fully.
You were so supportive during the liner, and now
not fully painted.
Okay.
It's okay. I'm like, keep painting.
keep painting.
Keep painting.
This
I
does have
can
a
do-
really nice doe foot.
My lips are thin. I can do in one swoop.
Mm-mm.
Oh yes, when you're mushing, it's looking.
Mushing.
Yeah. I always call this mushing. What do you call that? Pushing your lips together? I don't know. I always say mush your lips.
Yeah, mush.
Oh, there you go. Okay. I'm sure this looks great.
Do we like grade each other? Like
I will
1
have
out of
lipstick on
10?
my teeth.
A little bit.
I was like, actually, you probably picked a better version. It doesn't get all over your teeth. I have to probably do a couple of pull-throughs.
I'm gonna get you some mirrors now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can see how you did.
I also couldn't help but notice that you used 2 products that are mirrored. I
What?
feel like that's cheating.
I was not being sneaky. I will say subconsciously my mind immediately looked at the top of this lipstick when I was doing my eyeliner to try and see. I couldn't. It was not
I guess
intentional.
it's Q-shaped. Yeah, you
It
can't
was
really
not
see.
intentional.
You can't see. Okay, but do you think we should look in our mirrors?
Yes. All
Which
right.
one do you? Which side? What do you think you nailed?
I have a feeling, I think obviously our lips look better than our eyes, and I also think we almost could have done the lips first and then the eyes to warm us up.
Oh.
Maybe that was a
But
learning.
maybe I don't know. I guess I don't touch my lip when I'm doing my eyes. So yeah, you could have
But
done
I think
that.
my lip is probably
But I
the
also
best.
feel like you wear both a lot, but I feel like you wear
Lipstick,
like every
yeah.
day. I'm not a lipstick person, so I feel like that part's probably not as good. I feel like this eye, I really I nailed it.
Just one single eye.
Specifically, like just this part, I think I really got it.
It looks great.
Okay, let's see.
All right, our friends brought us some mirrors, so we're gonna look.
Okay. Oh. This one's so petite, actually. This one's not bad.
You know, years of working at Sephora
Wow. It's like all under here.
has led me to this. No, you know what? It's not too bad. I really went in with the wing. Like I just flicked it at the end because I was like, if I'm gonna go,
It's sharp.
I'm gonna go. You know, my Cupid's bow is uneven. I think we're still beautiful.
Mine just, there's no Cupid's bow. I just skip that part, just go around.
That's probably
No
a smarter
respect for
idea.
any Cupid's bow.
This is really fun though. I feel
It's so
like it's
good.
like so silly and also a good test of your skills, minus the eyeliner because I just don't think that's fair.
I think it's so hard to do. I challenge you guys to do it at home. It's
Yes.
so,
Oh my gosh, please give this a try and be careful when you're using the liner. I would really like to know actually what else you would like to see us try out without a mirror, the no mirror challenge. If there's anything you have top of mind, let us know in the comments below because this is just kind of fun to do.
it's so fun. I love a challenge. And yeah, I think we didn't do as bad as I thought we would.
Yeah, we killed it. Yeah, we're good. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.